What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial I will give you some basics of Pandas so that it will become easy for you to understand some complex things in Pandas. So let's begin.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
So first of all we'll go to the terminal, and here in this terminal we will import this IPython like we have done for Python. Same we will do for IPython. It will take some time, then it will look like this. After that we will import pandas here, and one more thing, we will do these things in Jupyter Note for the sake of easiness. I am telling you this in this IPython. So we will move one step further, take one step and then go to upstairs. So back to the code. First we will import these pandas, and then we'll create a variable, let's say data frame.1. What it does, it stores the values of the data which we will enter. Let me show you. Let's say pandas dot, then create a data frame. What it does, create the table for the data. Let me show you. It is an object. First we will create the list, and in this list we will create another list. Let me just, and we will create two lists in the list. Then here in this list we'll put some numbers. Let's see this, and in this list we'll put some another numbers like this, and simply print okay. What's an error? Okay guys, one more thing, that here where we have put this f, we have to put this f in capital letter. So do that again. df1 equals to pandas dot data. The d of data should be capital, and frame, f of frame should be capital, and parentheses, then square brackets, and in the square brackets another and another, 5, 6, and same with this. That's like this, and let's put okay. We have got no error, so it means this is correct. So for printing, simply type this variable name, and you get the table here. It's a short table. These are the columns 0, 1 and 2, and these are the index 1, 2. You can create more groups here like this, sorry, more index. For creating more index, let me just copy this first, copy this, and here in this box let's create some 3 comma dash dash dash, and after that simply put enter. Then this, you can see that here one more index has been created. And one more thing, you can change the name for these index. Let me show you how. Nope. Okay. To change the name of these columns, simply put a comma, column columns equals to, then create a list, and in this list name the column. Let's say um, let's say age, comma, let's say roll number, comma, and let's say class, and press enter. Oops. Okay guys, there's nothing wrong. Simply press enter, then again run, type this code, and after simply put the variable name. Let's say df1. Here you can get a age, roll number, and you can also change the value of these index. For that, simply copy this, and here put a comma, put index equals to, then list, and here in this list simply put name of the first, let's say index 1, comma 2, and then okay, then put the variable name. Here you can see age, class, and this index name. So this is how we structure the data in pandas. So now the other thing of the pandas is that we can analyze the data. So what is analyzing the data? Simply getting information from this data. For that, let's say first we have the age column. Let's say age dot df1. Let's see what we get. Okay, we got an error. Let's try one more time, but in the reverse way. Let's put df1 dot age. You get the all the numbers in the age variable 4 2. Here you can see 4 2. You can do the same with this roll number, class. And one more thing is that if you want to check what you can do with this panda, simply put let's say dir df1. Sorry, we can see what we can do with this list which we have created. Here you can get the list of all the things which we can do, and you can see let's find the mean of the data which we have created. For that, simply put df1 dot mean parentheses dot mean parentheses. Here you can get the mean of this. So that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial we will do the work on our Jupyter notebook. So thank you, and meet you in the next tutorial.